नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. I welcome all of you in today's practical session of case taking, in which we will discuss aphorism 91. In this aphorism, Dr. Heniman says that symptoms and feelings of the patient during a previous course of medicine do not furnish the pure picture of the disease. Means, in this aphorism, Dr. Heniman says when patient does not come directly to us, he taking medicines from other physicians, allopathic medicines taking, and come indirectly for us. But on the other hand, those symptoms and ailments which he suffered from before the use of the medicines or after they had been discontinued for several days, means patient has the history of taking medicine, then there we will not get the true picture of the disease, because symptoms are mixed with medicinal symptoms also. So what we have to do in this scenario, or after they had been discontinued for several days, give the true fundamental idea of the original form of the disease. So in this condition, we have to suggest patient to leave for some days without any medication, so that we can get the true picture of the disease. True fundamental idea of the original form of the disease, and these especially the physician must take note of. When the disease is of a chronic character and the patient has been taking medicine up to the time he is seen, the physician may with advantage leave him some days quite without medicine, or in the meantime administer something of an unmedicinal nature, and defer to a subsequent period the more precise scrutiny of the morbid symptoms, in order to be able to grasp in their purity the permanent uncontaminated symptom of the old affection, and to form a faithful picture of the disease. So ऐसे पेशेंट के अंदर, ऐसी कंडीशन के अंदर we suggest patient to leave for some days without medication, so we get the true picture of the disease, uncontaminated picture of the disease. Contaminated picture means picture of the natural disease is contaminated with the medicine he is consuming for so many months, so for so many days. So the natural picture of the natural disease becomes mixed with the symptoms of the medicine, or this symptom of the natural disease becomes suppressed or palliated. So in this scenario, we will not get the true sensation of the patient, true modalities, because all parts are suppressed and palliated by the medicines. So the correct way in these type of cases is that to leave patient without any medication, and advises him to write down, to note carefully about sensation part, about modalities part. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.